Okay, the first topic we're going to look at is numbers. And you sort of go, yeah, maths is numbers, but maths is numbers as you've never thought of them before. It's numbers that you put into groups or categories or families. It's numbers that are letters. It's very strange, but one of the categories or one of the topics included in your maths course is numbers, right? So to start off, the first category, the first collection or the first family of numbers that you have are called natural numbers, right? So in terms of when you were a teeny tiny baby, you would have learned how to count and you would have gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? They are what are counted as natural numbers. So in other words, they are whole numbers from 1 up, right? So you start at 1, you go to 2, you go to 3, you go to 4, you go to 5, up to infinity. But they are whole numbers from 1 up. They do not include 0. They do not include decimals. They do not include fractions. They only are full numbers or whole numbers. Okay, so 1 is the first, am I writing here? So 1 is the first natural number and 0 is not included. Okay? If you get asked about numbers and you ask for consecutive numbers, that means numbers in a row or numbers in order. So you'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, 10, 11, 12. You don't go 3, 6, 7, 8, 22. Okay, they have to be in a row. Okay, so in terms of that, if I just have a quick look at the example from a textbook, it says, state whether each of the following is true or false. So is 3 a natural number? The answer is yes, because 3 is a whole positive number. Is -2 a natural number? No, because it's smaller than 1. All right, so -2 is like 2 that you owe. All right, is 4.5 a natural number? No, because it involves a fraction. Is 101 a natural number? Yes. Is the smallest natural number 2? So think back at the definition. The definition is from 1 up, so the answer is no. All right. Question 2, it says list the numbers in each of the following. So what are the even natural numbers between 7 and 15? So even numbers are numbers that you can divide by 2 and you have no leftovers, no remainders. So in terms of even numbers, you're going 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. All right, so the even numbers between 7 and 15. So you go to 7 and you go, it's not even. That's an odd number. So 8 is the first even. So you go 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. So if you look at this one, it says 4 consecutive natural numbers beginning with 7. So 7 is the first one you want to choose. So you go 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and you're including 7. 5 consecutive odd natural numbers beginning with 5. So you go 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay, for question 3, it says describe in words the following arrays of numbers. Arrays is a fancy name for meaning a list. Okay. Why is PowerPoint starting? It's not meant to start. Right. So in terms of the list, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're natural numbers. So their whole number is bigger than 1. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So they're natural numbers. And they're odd. So they're odd consecutive natural numbers. 2, 4, 6 are even consecutive numbers. 6, 8, 10, 12, even consecutive numbers. 9, 11, 13, 15, odd consecutive numbers. 101, 102, 103. I just genuinely don't know how to describe them. They're just 3 consecutive numbers. Okay? So they are your natural numbers. So natural numbers are numbers that are from 1